Hi everyone, my name is Angela Spring, and I'm going to do a quick overview of my lesson that introduces fast food, health, and math into a high school statistics math class. This lesson is important because it allows students to see that math isn't just a textbook subject, but it surrounds us every day, and it helps students start forming lifelong habits that will lead them into a healthy adulthood. This lesson includes lots of Common Core standard math standards, and it also includes the California Health Standard analyzing nutritional value of foods and beverages. So overall, in this lesson, students will be researching different fast food chains, finding out nutritional value for those food chains, plotting the data, and then presenting their findings to the class. I would start the lesson with a quick 5-minute bell work activity where my students will review graphing and plotting data points. I would then lead the students through an introduction and a mini lesson where I would show a quick 2-minute YouTube video about the 2004 documentary film, Super Size Me. I would then lead the class in a discussion about how often do you think one should eat fast food, which fast food chain do you think is the healthiest, which one's the unhealthiest. I would go over some of the effects that fast food has on a teen's body, including mental, physical, and academic effects. I would then lead the class through their class activity. So in this activity, I'm going to have students pick one of their favorite fast food items. So for example, fries size large. They're going to make predictions about which fast food chain has the healthiest and the least healthy large-sized fries. Then the students are going to research 5 different fast food chains and look at the sodium, calories, and fat for their large fries. So they can, for example, look at In-N-Out, McDonald's, Burger King, Chick-fil-A, and Wendy's. They're going to collect the data from the various chains, looking specifically at calories, sodium, and fat. Then they're going to put all that information into Excel and create a graph. Now their graph won't look as fancy as this one, but in Excel it won't look too terrible. They're going to use that graph in their presentation to the class. I want the students to be able to share whether their predictions about which ones had the healthiest fast food fries, which ones had the least healthiest, which ones would you recommend if you were having a craving for French fries and you wanted the healthiest option out of all the fast food options. Students will write a short paragraph per graph, so they'll be turning in 3 short paragraphs talking about nutritional value and comparing their predictions. I would wrap up the class leading a short discussion saying, did you find any information that surprised you? Were your predictions accurate or inaccurate? Which chain is the unhealthiest in your opinion? And how do you think today's lessons will affect the way you look at fast food in the future? Now, this lesson may take 1 or 2 days depending on how quickly the students can find their research information. I know I went over that very quickly. Thank you so much and have a great day.